there! Today in this video, you will learn how to get free Tinder Gold using a promo code. So as you can see, guys, we got unlimited likes, skip the line, all these settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. So this is super cool. And yeah, I mean, personally, I know that there's a lot of people that don't know how to get Tinder Gold. So I'm gonna lay it on the line for you. What you need to do is get a secret Tinder Gold promo code, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So go to this website right here, and then go up to the search bar and just type in Tinder. And as you can see, guys, it says Tinder Gold. So press on this, press this orange button, and this will start generating your promo code. Now bear in mind, it is going to ask you for your email, so make sure you put that in. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, alright, it's really fast and everything. So once it is done, it is going to say activating reward, and then basically it says reward activated, and then you just have to fill out your info. So I've already done this part, but for you guys, just fill it out and you're going to be good to go. So after you do that, basically, it might make you do a little survey, but that's pretty much it. So let's press continue and see what happens. So as you can see, it's loading right now, and it's asking me some survey questions. So you fill out the survey, which is very easy, and then once you're done, just go down here to I agree and continue, and you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That's how you get a Tinder Gold promo code. Pretty crazy. And guys, like, I've been in the Tinder scene looking, and this was the only method I could find to get free Tinder Gold. So take it for the grain of salt. The other methods are fake. This is the only one that actually works. See you later. Peace out.